This is noise coming from street work going on probably on Second Avenue. You hear this noise all over the neighborhood. This is the kind of noise pollution that is very unique to New York City. I've been in other cities, and of course, there's all kind of ambient noise, but not like New York. Nothing like New York City. The noise pollution is just a constant. It's a permanent fixture, audio fixture in New York City urban landscape. Now, tens of thousands of people hearing this noise, maybe hundreds of thousands. But those who are producing the noise couldn't care less. And if they do care, they're not showing it. And they make no effort at all to muffle the noise. This noise is coming from street work.